Hello everyone, Adam here from CRT. Today we're just going to cover a quick update and another quick announcement, so it should be quite quick. First off, I know there's not been much content, well, any content for a number of weeks now, and I do apologise for that. I've been working quite hard and spending quite a lot of time on testing the Prusa i3 Mark III relating to 602. So I've got a bunch of parts here where I've been doing loads of different upgrades and test prints and analysing them and all that stuff. And if I'm honest, it's not been the most fun. It has been a little bit boring, but I think the results are going to be really good. So I'm sticking with it and I will get it done. It's just taking quite a lot longer than originally planned. Now onto my announcement. I'm going to be going to the TCT show in Birmingham at the NEC, which is here in the UK. So I will be there for the afternoon of the 25th, all day the 26th, and for the morning of the 27th. So if you're there for any of those 3 days, then hopefully you can catch me if you want to. I will be wearing this CRT branded t-shirt with my name on it, just in case you forget my name, because that will help reduce some awkwardness, because I'm sure I'm going to be pretty awkward about it, because quite frankly, it's quite out of my comfort zone. But it should be fun, so let's see how it goes. I will of course be wearing this CRT t-shirt, which has also got stuff on the back. So if you want to find me, I'll be wearing this thing, and hopefully you'll recognise something about it, like the name. I don't have much of a plan as to where I'm going to be going and who I'm going to be talking to while I'm there. It's just going to be a bit of an ad hoc kind of thing. I might have my camera and stuff with me, so I'll probably take some pictures and write things down, but I don't imagine I'll take much video, just because I can't edit it or anything while I'm there, and when I get back, I'm going to be straight back into work, so I don't know how great that's going to work out, but I'm going to have some stuff with me and I'll see what I can do while I'm there. I will also try and post on Twitter where I'm going to be around the day at whatever time, if I know I'm going to be somewhere at a specific time. So if you do want to meet up and you can meet at the same time, same place, then that can work too. So yes, follow me on Twitter if you want that information. So that's it for now on my little announcement about going to TCT in Birmingham at the NEC in the UK between the 25th and the 27th of September 2018. I think it's September. Yes, definitely September. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you want to see behind the scenes and stuff like that, and location announcements maybe at TCT. And that's going to be it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one and at TCT. Goodbye.